Describe the incident in which King Ahab took Naboth's vineyard, as found in 1 Kings chapter 21, verse 1 to 16. When you're starting, you have to start that King Ahab had a vineyard. And then you have, so that you can get a point, you have to say King Ahab asked Naboth to give him the vineyard so that he can do what? He can make it a vegetable what? Garden. For you to get the first point, you have to talk about the vegetable garden. And then point number 2 is about inheritance. So Naboth refused, and he said it's because it is inheritance from his forefathers. Point number 3 is King Ahab became sad and refused to eat. So Jezebel asked him why he was sad. And then Ahab explained what Naboth then told him. And then Jezebel asked him whether he was the king. And she said that she was going to give him the vineyard. So he wrote letters. So that you can get the next point, you have to talk about the letters to the what? Elders. Instructing them to accuse Naboth of what? You can call it blasphemy or treason. So the elders organized for Naboth to be killed. So he was taken outside the city and was stoned. When Jezebel heard the death of Naboth, he told Ahab to take possession of the what? Vineyard. So King Ahab went and possessed the vineyard. Question 3b. Outline 6 forms of punishment prophesied by Elijah to King Ahab and Jezebel after taking Naboth's vineyard. So the death of King Ahab will be at the same place where Naboth was what? Stoned. Or where he was killed. God would bring evil upon King Ahab. God would also take away the prosperity of Ahab. That is, his rule will come to an end. And then the dogs were going to lick the blood of who? Ahab. The way they licked Naboth's blood. So all the male children of King Ahab would be cut off. And then dogs will eat anybody from the house of Ahab who is going to die in the city. Birds of the air also would eat anybody from the Ahab's house who would die in the fields. And then dogs will hit the body of Jezebel. Question 3c. State 6 lessons Christians learn from the ministry of Prophet Elijah. To worship the true God only. To courageously condemn all forms of corruption. Christians should be obedient to God. Should carry out the work of God regardless of any challenges. Christians should also face persecution for the sake of Christ. They should be prayerful. They should trust in God. They should fight for the oppression of the poor. Remember that he was fighting because of the killing of the people who are worshiping who? Yahweh. Christians should always lead holy lives. Then tomorrow when I come back,